Hello student, this is Leena, your maths teacher. So today here I have a topic of pattern. So let's make it more interesting by doing an activity. So in activity, firstly we have to know what is pattern. So let's start it. So class, what is pattern? A pattern occurs when something is repeated over and over again. It can be a set of shapes, object, number arranged according to the rule. A number pattern might be repeated adding or subtracting the same numbers. If we are separating 5 and 5 and 5 repeatedly, so that means it is called the added pattern. So like 5 is added in 5, so it is 10, 10 is added in 5, so 15 and 20 and 25 and 30 and so on. So it is 5 is repeated again and again, or we can say that the 5 is added one again and again in the pattern. So class, here we have shape pattern also. A shape pattern might repeated by changing an attribute such as color each time. So we can, like if we have first we have blue color, then red color, then again blue color, then red color, we can make it accordingly object. Like firstly we have a square, then rectangle, then triangle. So accordingly we can make our pattern, and firstly we have to observe pattern very keenly, and after then we can continue our pattern or series accordingly. So like we have an example there, arithmetic progression, sequence of number with a fixed common difference. When we have a fixed common difference, so how can we continue the pattern? Like we have a series 1 3 5 7 9. So firstly we have to observe this pattern, this series very keenly. Like we have to find out the difference. So class, we have seen that the series is written in the ascending order. That means we have add. We use add in this series. So we have to check how much number we have add in this series. So how much we have add in 1 to make it 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Like accordingly 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, and so on. We can continue the pattern. Now class, next series we have there 3, 6, 9, 12. So class, in this series we have checked that the difference is 3 there. We can say that it is written the 3 table of 3 there. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 9, 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, and so 3 9s are class 27, and 3 10s are 30, or 3 11s are 33. So on we can continue our series. So let's take some more example of common difference. So class, here 6, 13, 20, 27 and 34. So class, we have checked the difference. There are difference of 7 in every number in between. So for continue this series, what we do? We are going to add 1 in next number accordingly. So class, sometimes we have the series in multiplication also, like in tables. Like 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, and so on. The series will be continued. And in next series 1 3 4 7 and 11 class, firstly we have 1. So in 1 we have 2. So 1 plus 2 3. Next series we have 1 plus 3, then 3 plus 4, 4 plus 7, then class 7 plus 8. That is our answer. Now class, that is a task for you. Complete this series, make it according to the observation of our pattern and complete it.